Okay, we're back, and this is the 26th in the series of videos concerning development of a workload tracker or a physician work RVU tracker. In the last video, we were making another search um, uh, parameter search for summation of the RVU values on a particular date or during a particular date range. And let's just bring up the property sheet. I've done just a few modifications since the last video, but you may remember that we made a round for the sum of the RVU add, and we corrected it to 2 decimal places. And I added in just a little string text by putting a quotation marks, work RVU equals parenthesis or double quotation marks ampersand, and just add a little space in there, and another ampersand, so that when you click it, you can have some just a little message written into a calculated field. Also, I just changed the border color to a little red color so it's outlined. All right, and then I also added a search again button, which has a click event, and the click event is just like refresh. We do this quite a bit. When you want to refresh something, you close a window and then you open up the same window again. So and I didn't like my name, so I changed it to report parameter date search extended, and extended means we're looking for the RVU values. Okay, so we'll save and close that, and then just the regular close button, close window, nothing to that. So let's save that and close it, and I added a button on the FRM main in design view. If you look at the property sheets next to this button, there's an on-click event, and it's just to open up that form. That's all it does. A one-line macro, open report parameter date search extended. So if we go to the form view and we click on the work RVU sum, it's going to ask us to enter the parameter value. And since we're working only with 2004, you don't need to put 2004 there. You can just put the first two and it assumes the rest. And there's that box. So you can actually close it. Once you make changes on it, it extends it out. But you can save it in that form and search again, and we'll do the same thing over again. And it should come up in the middle. And there's the little red box around it, and with that calculation, work RVUs equals that, and that's on that date, that particular date. Or you can do a date range. Let's do 1/1 through 9/20. Okay, and between those dates, you have 4,850.3 RVUs. All right, so if you wanted to search month by month, 1/1 to 1/31, and it'll give you a month, and you just have to remember that was January to 1 to 1 to 28. There's your February total. And it goes on, 6/1 through 6/30. Oops, I hit something wrong. And I don't have error trapping on this, but it really doesn't matter. If you hit, I actually put an extra forward slash. Let's do it again to show you that 6/1 through 6/30. And there's the RVU value for June. Okay. All right, well, I'm just going to close there and leave it at that. This is not quite the finished product, but it's pretty close. It's nice to have these search boxes. Well, I might just mention that I did put on the little binoculars here, and that's something that is pretty easy to do. You can embed an image, and it says picture image, and there's the one that was selected, and it's a picture builder. There's a whole variety of different ones you could put on there, and you can put the picture caption to the right or to the left. Okay, so I'm just lining them up to the right, and it's just another way to let people know, or yourself remember and remind yourself that it is a search box. All right, we'll just save that and back to form view. And I think we'll end right there. Thanks very much for your attention.